Hello guys, welcome to Electronics Innovation. Today we are going to learn about Internet of Things. Internet of Things is a network of devices which can sense, accumulate and transfer data over the internet without any human intervention. Internet of Things is here to change the world we know. Smart cars, smart homes, smart cities, everything around us can be turned into a smart device with the help of Internet of Things. IoT should us bring the coolness factor to the technology. Now, if you are starting to wonder what is IoT, you have stumbled on the right place. This video will help you to going with the basics of the Internet of Things. In this video, we will cover the following topics. First of all, what is IoT? Evaluation of Internet of Things. Why IoT? How does it works? And architecture of the IoT. Applications of IoT. How IoT can help us. 6. A future scope of IoT. What is IoT? As we have already discussed in the starting of this video, Internet of Things is a network of devices which can sense, accumulate and transfer the data over the internet to the permanent or temporary database without any human intervention. The thing in the IoT could be a person with a heart monitoring system or a automobile with a built-in sensor, a home with a motion sensor integrated with the home appliances like bulbs and fans, a smart water management system with a water sensor, a wireless doorbell with a doorbell sensor, an AC integrated with a temperature and humidity sensor, a smart geyser which controls automatically over internet, a smart city with smart dustbin management, smart parking, smart water bill management, smart electricity, smart transportation, etc. And agriculture with the set of sensors to monitor moisture of the field and pest and disease detection. Temperature and humidity monitoring of the post-harvesting process needed for the crops like coffee and tobacco. A cold storage automated to run according to the temperature and humidity inside. Everything around us can be turned into a smart device with the help of Internet of Things. IoT should us bring the coolness factor to the technology. Now let's see evaluation of the Internet of Things. The term Internet of Things is a 19-year-old, but the actual idea of connected device has been around longer, at least since 90s. Back then, the idea was often called embedded internet or pervasive computing. But the actual term Internet of Things was coined by the Kevin Austin in 1999 during his work at Procter and Gamble. Austin, who was working in a supply chain optimization, wanted to attract senior management attention to a new exciting technology called RFID. Because the internet was the hottest trend in 1919 and because it somehow made sense, he called his presentation Internet of Things. The Kevin Austin is also called as a father of IoT. The popularity of the term IoT did not accelerate until 2010 or 2011 and reaches mass market in early 2014. M2M or Industrial Internet of Things are not opposing concepts to the Internet of Things. Rather, they are sub-segments. Why IoT? Nearly all of the data available on the internet today was first captured and created by the human beings. The problem is people have limited time, attention and accuracy, which means they are not very good at capturing data about the things in the real world. So if we had a computers that knew everything there was to know about things using the data they gathered without any help from us, we would be able to track and count everything and greatly reduce waste, loss and cost, and this is what gave birth to the Internet of Things. So I think we are clear that why we need IoT. How does it works? IoT architecture. This IoT architecture contains four stages, that is one, sensors and actuators, second is data acquisition systems, third is edge IoT, fourth is data center or cloud management. So now let's see each and everything briefly. So first of all, sensors. A thing in the context of Internet of Things should be equipped with sensors and actuators, thus giving the ability to emit or accept the process signals. Example, temperature sensor or automated geyser as shown in the picture. Data acquisition system. The data from the sensor starts in the analog form which needs to be aggregated and converted into the digital streams for the further processing. Data acquisition systems perform these data aggregation and conversion functions. Example, temperature sensor give a data in voltage form, which is analog. Here we will convert that analog signal data using DDC, and we will save the data into the particular data formats. Then we will post the data into the next stages. Edge analytics. Once the IoT data has been digitized and aggregated, it may require further processing before it enters into the data center. This is where edge analytics comes in. Cloud analytics. Data that needs more in-depth processing get forwarded to the physical data centers or cloud-based systems. The collected data will be posted to the clouds like Amazon Web Services, IBM Bluemix, Microsoft Azure, MATLAB ThinkSpeak, or the Things Network to store the data permanently or a particular time duration. From this cloud, we can access the data and perform related analytics on the data. Now let's see applications of IoT. Natural disaster management with IoT. The Internet of Things platform can be used to accumulate data related to a specific geographic location using remote monitoring tools and perform analytics so that early warnings of disaster can be found out. Better health care with IoT. IoT can have a major impact when it comes to remote health monitoring. Even though the patient is on the move, his vitals can be continuously sent to the doctor with the help of IoT platform. Smart farming with IoT. The task of irrigation can be automated with the help of IoT. A set of sensors such as light, humidity, temperature can be used continuously to monitor the field conditions. A smart energy management with IoT. With the smart grids, energy distribution can be optimized. The grids also keep collecting real-time data, which helps in distributing electricity efficiently and also to reduce the outages. The pollution control with IoT. The platform help us to continuously monitor the air quality and the water quality. This data will be sent to the cloud where further analytics can be performed so that the proper action can be taken to the control pollution. Future scope of IoT. Internet of Things can connect devices embedded in various systems to the internet. When the devices objects can represent themselves digitally, they can be controlled from anywhere. The connectivity then help us capture more data from more places, ensuring more ways to increasing efficiency and improving safety and IoT security. IoT is a transformational force that can help companies improve performance through IoT analytics and IoT security to deliver better results. Business in the utilities, oil and gas, insurance, manufacturing, transportation, infrastructure, and retail sectors can reap the benefits of IoT by making more informed decisions aided by the torrent of interactional and transactional data in their disposal. Hoping this video on what is IoT was helpful to you. If you learned something about IoT and you feel that it is helpful, please subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you. Thank you for watching.